Assalomu alaykum, yangi darsga xush kelibsizlar. Welcome to a new class and today we'll learn how to say I'm going to in Uzbek. Tayyormisiz? Boshladik. So far we have learned with you three main tenses. And in the future present tense, present future tense, we learned the expression I will do. Men qilaman. For example, men bugun ofisga boraman. I will go to the office today. Men bugun o'rtog'im bilan uchrashaman. I will meet with my friend. And every time we use the verb, we use it in this sentence, in this form. I will do, I will work, I will go, I will meet, men boraman, men qilaman, men ishlayman. And this is when we plan the day and we sort of, approximately know what we will do. But what happens when we for sure know that this is going to happen, we decided to do it, we are intending to do it, and that's when in English we also say I'm going to, right? In the beginning of the day, in the morning, you were just like, okay, I will go to the office, I will meet, maybe yes, maybe not. And here we know for sure it's happening, it's gonna happen in a very short period of time. And it depends from your decision. You decided and it's happening and it's going to happen. So to say I'm going to, we use moqchiman. And we learned verbs, different verbs in our previous class. If you watched it, of course, we learned how to say I want to sleep, I want to eat, I want to read a book, uxlagim kelyapti, ovqat yegim kelyapti. Let me know if you watched that lesson. This is very important to me. And these verbs come from that class. And I'm reminding you about them if you haven't watched the video. Okay, we will go through them, through these verbs again, and we can use them with our new construction. Okay, how to say I'm going to eat, I'm going to walk, I'm going to sleep. It's easy. We just take the construction moqchiman and we take the verb, any verb, and in the dictionary it will be written qil moq. For example, qil moq, bar moq. You take dictionary and the infinitive form of the verb will be with the ending moq. But this one is not just moq, it's moqchiman or moqchisan, depending who's talking. Right now we're talking about ourselves, so it's just moqchiman. And men, moqchiman, I'm suggesting to use with these list of verbs. In order to do this, we need to remove this moq and just put it here. Men ovqat ye moqchiman, which will mean I'm going to eat. Men ovqat ye moqchiman. Oshiyman. Men sayr qilmoqchiman. Sayr qilmoqchiman. Pay attention that I don't pronounce this L. In the area where I live, that's Tashkent. I don't really hear people saying qilmoqchiman. Qilmoqchiman. L sort of goes away. Men sayr qilmoqchiman. Uxlamoqchiman. Charchadim. I'm tired. I'm going to sleep. Kitob o'qimoqchiman. I want to read a book. I'm going to read a book. Or o'ynamoqchiman. I'm going to play or dance. Right now, we will look at new verbs. Of course, in every lesson, I try to give you something new, new expressions, new verbs. Those verbs come from the previous lesson. And if you watched it, you can revise them. But by watching this new lesson, I want to give you new expressions. So I asked myself, how would I use moqchiman ending? And today in the morning, I knew that I want to record a class. And in an hour, I knew for sure that it's not just a plan, approximate plan. I knew for sure I'm going to do it. So Just like, half an hour ago, I just said to myself, "Men dars olmoqchiman." Today I came to the studio and our team said, "Oh, Saidapa, assalomu alaykum. Dars olasizmi? Dars olmoqchimisiz?" Ha, dars olmoqchiman. I'm going to record a class. How about, if we're talking about you, if you decided to learn Uzbek and you're actually, you're gonna do it, for sure. Men O'zbek tilini o'rganmoqchiman. Men O'zbek tilini o'rganmoqchiman. So you're saying, sharing with others that you decided to learn Uzbek. And maybe you're looking for teachers. Maybe you're looking for books. O'rtoqlar, men O'zbek tilini o'rganmoqchiman. Nima qilish kerak? What I have to do, right? Different, it can be different kind of messages why you would be saying that to other people. Maybe you're looking for a teacher. Maybe you're looking for videos. Men O'zbek tilini o'rganmoqchiman. It's summertime, and usually on weekends we plan to rest in the mountains. So mountain is togh, to rest is dam olmoq. And sometimes before the weekends, we could say, "Oh, I cannot meet you. We're going to rest in the mountains. So let's skip this time and meet sometime later," right? Men tog'da dam olmoqchiman, or biz tog'da dam olmoqchimiz. Biz is we, right? I'm going to jog in the morning. Men ertalab yugurmoqchiman. Men ertalab yugurmoqchiman. I'm going to lose weight. Men ozmoqchiman. Remember the word ozgina? Ozgina, a little bit. So ozmoq is to lose weight. Ozmoqchiman is I'm going to lose weight. And it's about me. Men semirmoqchiman. Men semirmoqchiman. I am going to gain weight. Let's see how the sentence changes if we're talking about negation, if it's a negative sentence. In this case, we need to add emas, and then man, moqchi man. Man sticks to emas. Men moqchi emasman. Men moqchimasman. It can be written separately or split together. So we had the example, I'm going to record a class. Men dars olmoqchiman. Negation would be men dars olmoqchi emasman. Miss Saida, what are you doing here? Are you going to take a class? Are you going to record a class? Yo, man dars olmoqchi emasman. Coffee ichaman. Shunchaki. No, I'm not going to record a class. I'm just drinking coffee here. Just walking around. No, who needs this lessons? I'm not gonna record the lesson. Men dars olmoqchi emasman. Yo'q, shunchaki. I'm going to learn Uzbek. Men O'zbek tilini o'rganmoqchiman. Yo. Men O'zbek tilini o'rganmoqchi emasman. I'm going to rest in the mountains. Men tog'da dam olmoqchi emasman. Yo. Men shaharda dam olmoqchiman. Shaharda, in the city. Men ertalab yugurmoqchiman. I'm going to jog in the morning. Men ertalab yugurmoqchi emasman. Yugurmoqchi emasman. I'm going to lose weight. Men ozmoqchiman. Men ozmoqchi emasman. Now try changing yourself. Men semirmoqchiman. How would you say not? Men semirmoqchi emasman or emasman. Men semirmoqchi emasman. And if we're talking about other people, then this is how it changes. And it's very, very much connected to the verbs we learned in present future tense. For example, men boraman without moqche part. sen borasan, u boradi. The E part only, right, matches. Biz boramiz, siz borasiz, ular boradi. There's no, like, they are not identical, but still, man, san, mi, siz, the same. But we have here moqchi part. Men moqchiman, sen moqchisan, u moqchi. Saida dars olmoqchi. Saida dars olmoqchi. Biz toqqa bormoqchimiz. Biz tog'da dam olmoqchimiz. Siz dars olmoqchisiz. Ular dars olmoqchi. And etc. I would like you to make your own examples. 5 examples of what you're going to do, what you are intending to do, and leave them in the comments. And even if you're not sure if you made them correctly, even if you're not sure that the word selection or Google Translate was precise, still try it. I really love going down and reading your comments, even if they're just about, oh, really cool class. And this is very cool, this is very pleasant, and I'm thankful for all the likes and comments you're leaving. But where are the homeworks? Izohlarda, izoh is comments. Uyga vazifangizni kutib qolaman. Uyga vazifa is homework. Uyga vazifangizni, your homework, kutib qolaman. I will be waiting. I'll be waiting for your uyga vazifa in the comments. Keyingi darsda ko'rishguncha xayr. Sog' bo'ling.